Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to add custom location on your Instagram story. For that, you need to hop into Instagram. Make sure to log in on Instagram account. Then you need to tap on your story first to add any story on Instagram. Let's tap on it and choose any photo or video we want to add on story. After you have selected a photo, when you tap on the top of the screen's sticker icon, you can see location icon. When you tap on location and add any location that appears on the screen, then it is one of the official location. But for now, we wanted to add custom location. To add any custom location, you need to tap on create button, which is at the top of the screen. And now you need to choose the sticker icon here. When the stickers appear, you need to search for pin on the search bar and add a pin. After you have added a pin, you need to type a location here. You can add any custom location you would like to. So this is basically a custom location that I want to add on my story. After that, you can tap on your stories button, which is at the bottom left corner. Now it has already been added to your Instagram story. So when you want to check how does that custom location looks on your story, then you need to tap on your story again. So here it is, guys. This is how your custom location appears on Instagram story. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.